Final round. Missed question corrections. Part 5. Light area and foot candles. How many square foot lighting required in a dwelling? 3 watts per square foot in residence. Residence requires 3 watts per square foot. 3 watts per square foot in residence. Residence, 3 watts per square foot. Lighting load of hospitals needs, 2 square foot, per VA. Lighting load per square foot of hospital, 2 VA per square foot. Hospital, 2 VA per square foot of light. Commercial building, 25-foot ceilings, use high-pressure sodium lights. Commercial building, 25-foot ceiling, high-pressure sodium lights. 440 square foot room, 20 fluorescent lights of 180 VA each. How many 120 volt 20 amp circuits needed? 2 circuits. 440 square feet, 20 fluorescent lights, needs 2 20 amp circuits. First aid, infirmaries and offices, minimum illumination, 30-foot candles. First aid, patient care, hospitals, 300-foot candles. Cabinet shop or electrical equipment room, minimum illumination, 10-foot candles. Cabinet shop, electrical room, 10-foot candles. General construction, low activity area, minimum illumination, 3-foot candles. General construction, low activity, 3-foot candles. Outdoor general construction work, concrete, plumbing and framing, minimum illumination, 5-foot candles. Outdoor, general construction, 5-foot candles. Barracks, locker dressing, workrooms, minimum illumination is, 10-foot candles. Barracks, locker, dressing, workrooms, 10-foot candles. Barracks, private and changing rooms, 10-foot candles. Warehouses, corridors, hallways, stairways and exitways, minimum illumination, 5-foot candles. Warehouse, hallways and exitways, 5-foot candles. Indoor pathways, stairs and exits, 5-foot candles. Kitchen luminance, 30-foot candles. Kitchen, 30-foot candles. Kitchen, 300-foot candles. Bathroom luminance, 40-foot candles. Bathroom, 40-foot candles. Bathroom, 40-foot candles. Light to kitchen controlled by, most accessible switch in the room. Light in a bathroom, controlled by, the switch closest to the entrance. 440 square foot commercial, distribute light evenly in the room.